Come back to my channel. If this is your very first time meeting this bold, beautiful, dark skin girl from South Sudan, you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for clicking. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And you guys, pardon me, I like staring at myself at the camera instead of looking at you guys. I'll be looking at myself, and I noticed that in several occasions, so just bear with me. And today I saw something on Facebook, a recipe, so I want to try it, like making some juice. And I saw it was nice, like it was kind of, if you feel always tired, maybe stress or something, you should be taking it. And it's a combination of can I show you guys? Yeah, let me show you. So it's combination of bananas and carrot. So I'm going to make like 2 bananas and 2 carrot. I'm going to take you guys along. And 2 glasses of water. You first like blend them, then from there blend them with milk again, right? So let me just use the milk I'm going to use on it. You're going to serve it with hash, but you guys know, or if you don't know today, you know, I don't have a fridge in this house. But if you don't have a fridge, this is the right time you get to learn something today. So what I normally do, if I want to keep things cold in my house, I buy hash, then I keep it in I don't know how to call it in English, but in Arabic it's afasa. So I just cut it, because mine is small, I cut it into pieces, then I keep it. I don't pour any water, and I just put whatever I want inside there, and it can stay like for some 3 to 4 days without melting. It can melt, but not like so much. So when it melts again, like it can also stay cold, like it will be water here, but it is still cold. So yeah, let me show you how I store my hash, and it can last, and you can use it as fridge if you are in this saga, if you don't have fridge, right? So yeah, let's go. And as I make this juice, so I got something for myself to drink. I don't care whether I'm making juice or not. This life, I can't kill myself. Allow me to flex, yo. I can't kill myself. I'm not drinking this juice in a very long time. So yeah, this is my pasta. It's clean already, right? My hash in the cabera, cut in pieces. Listen. You. Yes. So I left some oil in between so that I can put the bottle when I blend the juice I'm going to pour there. So yeah, let's see if it's going to work.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's not fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say
You guys, this one cannot go anymore, but I'm going to leave it at this. I don't know if the hair is not going to melt so easily because it needed to be covered. So let's just give it time and wait if this thing is going to get cold. Okay, so you guys, I put the rest in the in my local fridge, and this is the remaining one, so I want to test it for you. Imagine it's not bad, but let's wait that one when it is cold and we'll see. Thank you for watching up to this point, and I'm going to show you when that one get cold and serve it with a glass. Try it and let me know. If you have seen this or if you have tried this before, let me know. And if you are going to try it, let me know. But I love the taste, you guys. Energy. I'm going to be doing this almost every morning, and I'm going to be putting the fruit at the office. Yeah, so I'll blend it at home in the morning, then I'll go with it to the office. This will be my breakfast every single day. Bye guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share.